Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmaster, welcome guest, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here this evening, allowing me to stand here before you to share some intimate experiences that I have had with this evening's birthday honoree, John Willow. Some people are just blessed with charisma, charm, wit, and intelligence. John Willow is not one of those persons. He just is not. John and I have been friends for over 10 years. A wonderful 10 years. Over this course of time, he's been much more than just a friend. Indeed. He's been a friend constantly in need. Constantly in need. He has the keen ability to ask questions whenever he's in doubt. He asked this question to me 50 times over our 10-year friendship. You think I can borrow $20 until Friday? John, you still owe me $1,000. John, now that you are a half a century years old, you're 50, I think that it's my obligation to make you aware of the 2-for-1 sale of Viagra at our local Rite Aid. You'll probably need that now. But John, in all seriousness, you have been like a brother to me. Literally. Because he owes me $1,000 too. John, I love you. I wish you the best. Happy birthday, John Willow. Mr. Toastmaster.